guys, Gamers here, and today I'm with a friend of mine, Red Panda Gaming, and he's right here, next to him. Yeah, I'm part of the video. Yeah, check out PKC, it's a channel mainly about Minecraft, some Battlefront, and some first person, and some Injustice. He does it all around, but just only gaming. Today we're going to play a game that's definitely about business. Definitely about you being a business person. Right now I'm on a plane to my first business meeting in the game. So yeah, you get to make stuff at your business meeting. It's called Stranded Deep. I don't know why it's called that. It's like you're stranded at business meetings, I guess. Right, isn't it about business meetings? It's definitely about that stuff. So,
What about that?
Oh, yeah, forgot. Of course you light your martinis on fire. Of course, I forgot about that part. Of course that's what you do. Okay, I drunk it.
You're drunk now.
No, it was one glass. So yeah, business. I really like it. Wow, why did I get up to get the martini when you have some wine right there? Really, no kidding. So yeah, business. It's a little turbulent right now. What's going on? This isn't supposed to happen. What's going on? Help me. Red Panda, do you know what's happening?
No!
Ah.
I think it's just extreme turbulence.
Yeah, it's definitely just a tiny bit of turbulence. No, it's like just on the speaker comes on and it's just like, sorry about this, sir. We're facing a tiny bit of turbulence right now. Oh, what's happening? I'm scared. That's my scared noise. I'm not drowning in it. Down I go. Why are you not watching? It's just a bunch of watery stuff and me swimming in murky water. Nothing can go wrong when you're swimming in murky water.
Yeah.
Nothing. See, look. It's the linear. I want a refund linear. I want a refund. Hopefully I'll make it in time for my business meeting. So, there's a convenient... It's gonna come soon. This is conveniently right next to the crashed plane. I guess it blows up on crash. Why is my hand not here? All I want for Christmas is to not die. What? How would I even know if it's Christmas? That's sad. I've been here forever. Never know him. So, yeah, I got knocked out. Oh, so convenient. There's power right here. And there's an island right there. How convenient is that? Well, but there's a shark right there. That's not as convenient. Oh, it's coming at me! Bruce, don't do it.
Yeah.
Bruce, no.
Yeah, we need...
Bruce did it!
Oh my god!
Bruce did it. No, I just stopped it. I don't want to get eaten by Bruce.
Oh, come on.
Da-da! Part 1. Da-da! Will Bruce eat us?